Guys, I have just got one challenge. That challenge is I need to be Canadian. Now, I should react like I am coming to Pokhara just now, just arrived from Canada, and we are reaching to our destination, Pame, and many people are watching us behind. They are curious. Some are very innocent. Nepal people are very innocent, loyal, and they are lovely. They cares, they love. But one thing we got just surprise news. The shop is closed today because today is Saturday. We are not Canadian, guys. We are Nepalese. Yes, Saksham Bodal.
Yes, guys. How are you doing?